Oh. Oh, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Oh. Oh.
Oh boy. We're going out to dinner and gonna run some errands. So I actually got cute today. In my Walmart shoes, you know.
So here's my wood. We're gonna make a desk.
We got wood to make a desk. On today's errands, we have to get probably stuff to finish off this desk. Maybe we'll see it. But we are getting paint and hardware for this bad boy. We got it for free. And then we got this at Habitat for Humanity. So we're just bargain hunting today. And Kyle is wrestling some stuff. What happened?
No, Theo. Theo!
We stopped for a quick nature break on our way home from errands. And now we're gonna go home and eat dinner. Alright, so I already showed you guys this piece of wood that we got to be a desk, but it's just so nice. Oh, can't wait. Kyle's gonna put like a clear coating on it so that way it's like shimmery, but it also can be a little more durable. And then we got this for free actually. So nice. Oh. We're gonna paint it like a bluish gray color, and we got some really cool hardware to put on it. It's actually not bad hardware, but we're gonna get some different hardware put on there, and Kyle has something to make these like latchable because they don't already latch, and then we'll put little baskets on the bottom probably. But yeah, so this is our new TV stand. We're gonna work on refinishing it and then get her in the living room.
Do a little bit of sanding.
Yeah.
And then a nice thick coat of paint.
Yep.
And it'll be nice.
Yeah. Some fun updates about our house. We got our little Theo nook all finished. That's our DIY TV stand doing its job being a TV stand. I got my peace lily in finally. I've been waiting for this plant for so long. They have like glossy green leaves on them, but they grow these really cool little white flowers, which this is like a little baby right now. But eventually it'll be a beautiful flower plant thing, and it's supposed to be really good for the air in your home. Same thing with my little snake plant over there and some other plants that I have going on in this house. Another update we did was finish our home office finally. I just came in here. Home office looking good. We got gold and white shelves, and we have a gold and white calendar to match it. But yeah, so we got this piece of wood, and then Kyle went ahead and finished it, and it was pretty amazing. But yeah, it's really coming together. Everything looks so good in here. Love it. Yeah, that's really what we have going on so far.